YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tati, and today, as you can see by the title, is basically going to be a clean my house with me, and you guys are going to get sneak peeks of what it currently looks like. It's not going to be a full house tour because I want to do that a couple videos from now, but this one you'll actually just kind of see what everything's looking like and get a glimpse. And yeah, if you know me, I change my house on a regular. Nothing ever stays the same. Like my master bedroom that I'm about to show you, it's probably gonna get painted this weekend, so that'll be another video coming up. And then my makeup room that you'll see is gonna be changed, and the office probably will stay the same, but the guest bedroom you won't see in this video, but that's also gonna be changed, so that's also gonna be its own little series on my channel. But today I'm just gonna be cleaning the house because it's Friday, and Fridays are the only days that I really get off from work, and Garrett's not here, so I'm able to do whatever I want at free will. So yeah, you guys are gonna watch me clean my house, and if not, if you don't like that, then just kind of fast forward to the parts where I'm showing you what each room looks like. So I hope you all enjoy, and yeah, we're gonna start in the master bedroom and go from there. All right, y'all, so that's all I'm cleaning today. What you saw was majority of the upstairs minus the guest bedroom and the downstairs. I will be doing a formal house tour with before and afters because it's been 2.5 years since we started renovating the house, so a lot of you probably don't remember or wasn't watching in the beginning to see what it looked like before. So I'm gonna do a formal updated tour for you guys so you understand, and then just understand that all of this stuff, I feel like it's temporary. Not my living room. I think my living room is fine besides getting new furniture. And my kitchen, I love my kitchen. Not changing my kitchen, but the bedrooms can't stay the same. That will be changed, and that's going to be in a series. Also downstairs is getting renovated too, so that's going to also be a series. So just stay tuned if you're interested in the house portion of this, and I hope you all liked the video today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.